Andrea's already written hers.
Hello? Hey, who's this? Oh, hey, I'm sorry. Yeah, but I'm serving. No, you're good. I'm observing someone else teach. What's up?
Good, Marcus.
Yeah. Sure. Oh, okay. Yeah, good. $3 plates. Can we do like Friday? Because I'm doing, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. I have yoga today, and then Thursday I have the paint thing. I forgot to tell you the paint thing was also out. But Friday I can do it. Oh, dang it. Well, I can see about Thursday. I can see it. I can move some things around for Thursday before the paint thing. Okay.
Regina's answer's looking pretty good. She's almost got her full quote. Shannon's working on it. Good early. Good in line. Good John Marcus. Marcus is ready to go. Andrea's ready to go. Good job, Andrea. Shannon, good answer. Mr. Grub, so how often do you? After spring break, probably every other week.
Right now, not every day. Right now, not every day.
Yeah, sometimes I'll be there like a couple days.
It's just for hours left.
Okay, I'll take it.
So like, it's kind of I'm there a lot. It's good. Yes. I taught Algebra 1 for a year, and then I taught Algebra 2. I haven't done pre-calculus in a long time, but I could try. Alright, whether you are done or not, if you can go ahead and put your pen down. I saw a lot of great work. I actually want to highlight one person, Joshana. Could you read your answer out for the class?
I said this develops the theme of race.
What develops the thing?
My thing. My textual
Oh, the one you picked. Okay.
Yeah.
What was the textual evidence?
Oh, when it said left, left, except a real dark little girl with long hair. That's where she was supposed to be, but she couldn't recognize that dark child as her.
And then what does that tell us? What does that mean?
That it shows that Janie had a moment in life where she had trouble with racial identity and who she was.
Give some snaps for that time. Go ahead and open to page 21, chapter 3. Let's Sir, could you read the first paragraph for us?
There are ears that ask questions and ears that answer. Jane had no chance to know things, so she had to ask. Did marriage end the cosmic loneliness of the unmated? Did marriage compel love like the sun did?
Thank you. Irvin, reread this quote for us. It's on the screen.
Did marriage end the cosmic loneliness of the unmated? Did marriage compel love like the sun did?
Does this remind anybody of something?
Mm-hmm.
The question, say more about what you mean.
The first question, well, what was the first about thing? Oh, yes, it is. You will not feel lonely anymore after you're married. So she has the same question.
So, we're reading this. We see this. Did marriage end the cosmic loneliness of the unmated? Did marriage compel love like the sun compels the day? What does that mean? What does it mean for the sun to compel the day? Start the day. What happens when the sun comes up?
The day starts.
The day starts. Can the day hold on?
No.
Can it tell the sun to wait a minute?
No.
No, it compels the day. So in the same sense, someone else explain, what is the author, what is the narrator saying in this line? Does marriage end the cosmic loneliness of the unmated? What is the author, narrator trying to say?
Does marriage make the people not feel less lonely?
Say it again.
Does marriage make the people feel less lonely now that they're together?
Let's keep reading. Let's go with a volunteer. Who wants to read the next paragraph? Chris, okay, go ahead.
In the few days she lived before she went to Logan Cliffs, and she was often mentioned 60 acres. Janie asked inside of herself and out. She was back and forth to the pear tree, continuously wondering and thinking. Finally, out of Janie's talk and her own conjectures, she made a sort of comfort for herself. Yes, she could love Logan after they were married. She could see no way for it to come about, but Nanny and the old folks had said it, so it must be so.
Can we pause there? Thank you. Let's go back to that. Let's go back to that quote we had before. Did marriage end the cosmic loneliness? Who's asking this question?
Janie.
Janie. So what does that tell us? What does Janie know about this? Nothing. How do we know Janie doesn't know anything? Because she's asking questions. Janie doesn't know. What does this line tell us? We just paused on it. You just read it. Yes, she would love Logan. It's right here. Yes, she would love Logan after they were married. She could see no way for it to come about, but Nanny and the old folks had said it, so it must be so.
So she just loved him. She
Go ahead.
just loved him because everybody else says love.
Go ahead. She's getting forced into something. What is she getting forced into?
Marriage.
Marriage. Ashanti, let's go with you over here. What is she saying is going to happen after she gets married?
She said that basically because the old people say she doesn't love him,
Let's ask Chris. Chris, do you think she believes it?
Yes, but everybody else saying around, so she's giving into what we don't think.
So let's go with Malaya. What does that tell us about how Janie views her nanny or her elders or her people around her? What does that tell us about how Janie views those people?
Like, they kind of like dominant towards her, like, or over her life, basically.
Anybody want to add to that? Brianna?
And she thinks that they're wiser, basically.
Okay, they're wiser. So if you were to give me one sentence, let's do somebody else. So one sentence summary, how is Janie perceiving or viewing the elders or the people around her that are giving her advice?
She was only love, true love will come from marriage.
Based on what? Based on her own experience?
Based on other people, what people say.
How do you know?
Because she said, what did she say? I don't know. I don't have the evidence for that.
So let me ask you this. Let's roll back to this theme here. Remember we were talking about theme? This graphic up here? What is this piece of, which theme? Pick a theme. There doesn't need to be a right answer. What theme could this textual evidence be connected to? Freedom and confinement. What else?
Language.
Yep. What I want you to do is I want you to write this piece of textual evidence in your next box. And then I want you to pick a theme. And I want you to write down in maybe 3 sentences How does that piece of textual evidence develop that theme? Yeah, Mr. Connor? I worked with him 2 years ago. In his first year. Marcus, which thing did you pick? Not yet? That's right. Which thing did you pick?
I'm saying, are you focused or is it just a yes and no?
Chris picked freedom and confinement.
I'm still waiting. Yes or
Which
no?
thing did you pick?
Can you focus right now on the drain? Drea.
Yep.
Drea. Oh my God.
What thing did you pick?
She already know my life, she loves me, so she can.
That's good. What about the other thing? How about this? I like that you picked that, so I think you should say, this shows that right now, she has a belief that she's in control of her own choices. She believes being in control. So what is this? What is this telling us about how she views her destiny? Everybody's ready? Judge Sean is ready. Those are good answers, Judge Sean. Rachel's almost ready. Looks like a good answer, Sean. I'll give you another 2 minutes, so we're going to come back. Alright, we can put pens down. Eyes back up here. I want to start with Will. Can you read your answer for the class?
I think it's freedom plus confinement because she is living